Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a person whom you follow on social media. You should say, who is she/he? How do you know him/her? What does she/he post on social media? And explain why do you follow him/her. Sister Shivani, a well-known spiritual teacher and motivational speaker from India, is someone I follow on social media who always inspires and motivates me. Her TV program on the Art of Living Foundation's channel introduced me to her, where she discusses mindfulness, meditation, and how to lead a calm and balanced life. Later, in an effort to absorb more of her lessons, I began to follow her official social media profiles on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Sister Shivani shares a range of information about spirituality, mental health, and personal growth on her social media platforms. She talks on fostering inner happiness, enhancing relationships, and managing stress in brief videos. She frequently promotes optimistic thinking and offers helpful guidance on managing challenging emotions. Her blogs also feature inspirational sayings and guided meditation sessions, both of which are incredibly uplifting and soothing. I follow Sister Shivani because her teachings are straightforward but impactful. Her lessons help me keep grounded and focused on what really matters in the hectic and fast-paced world of today. I respect how she explains difficult spiritual ideas in a way that is easy for everyone to comprehend and use in their everyday lives. I find that following her keeps me inspired and upbeat, even when things are tough. To sum up, Sister Shivani inspires a lot of people like me in addition to serving as a spiritual mentor. Her social media presence enriches my life by promoting serenity, self-awareness, and personal development.
And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.